Test drive didn't go too well.
No, it lasted what? 3 miles? Is it even 3 miles? Maybe 2 miles.
All right. So today is gonna be a fun day. New Year's. We're gonna be. Well, we just hooked up to the trailer. We are gonna be taking the old 4Runner today, the one that the flatbed came off of. We're taking that to my buddy Clancy's shop, where we're gonna be working on it to turn it into a trophy truck. He thought of something cool, and we're going to be running it through the bar pit to do a pre-build run down the bar pit to see how it handles. But yeah, should be pretty fun today. And then we're gonna do after we do a new front end. The rear end's gonna come later, but we're gonna start with the front end. Haven't decided what we're gonna do yet. We're gonna go over that today. Stay tuned. Real quick before we head over to my buddy Clancy's house, ran into an issue. Tires are hitting. I kind of rubbed the whole way up with the front tire. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna try out this jigsaw. I've never done it, but I don't like using the grinders. They cause too much noise. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut a couple inches off of my trailer fender there. This is a custom built trailer me and my dad built, so we'll figure it out. So we're out here at my buddy Clancy's shop. He just got this Ford that he's gonna do with tough truck racing with. Pretty neat. Brought old Hardy out here with me.
Rip it off.
Rip it off, he says. We're gonna unload it and take her down for a rip down the bar pit. See how she does before all the suspension upgrades.
Brand new car.
Unload the new truck. New.
The dust. Yeah, I can't even get it out at first. Scissors. Oh, up in the ear? You sure? No, I felt like the trans. I couldn't shift it.
No, it sounded like a rod knob, dude. It was bad.
Yeah, I couldn't shift anymore. You want to hear it? Yeah. I thought I was coasting in. I was like, because I was actually liking this.
After that second jump, my back.
I was wondering about
that was pretty hard.
I was worried about the dust. Yeah, I can't even get it out at first. Was it the rear end?
Oh, the rear end is jumping like a son of a bitch.
Fucking trains.
No gear. Hey, try the transfer case. Do the transfer case. I didn't bring my tow rope.
Push me a little.
Test driving the 4Runner or the Ranger. We can see the Ranger didn't make it back, so we got to go pick it up. Typical Ford. Gonna go save it now. That was really fun.
Party is there?
Mike. We're getting towed back
Come back.
in the old Ranger Danger.
Oh, fucking Ranger. Oh, fucking Ranger.
Test drive didn't go too well.
No, that lasted what? 3 miles? Is it even 3 miles?
Maybe
2 miles?
maybe 2
1 mile?
miles.
Trans.
Not very long.
Not very long. Trans went boom.
You can hear that noise. Who knows what that is? Old F-150 come in to the rescue though. See if we can jump it.
Give it some fun.
Nice and slow, brother. At least the truck came with some nice air fresheners.
Oh, it's got tons of air freshener. It smells great in here.
Like unburnt fuel. My favorite part of the whole truck is this windshield wiper.
Oh, I know.
Look at that. Look at these 30 thong.
It does a real good job too. It keeps that area nice and clean, as you can see from the Don't Gut thing.
It's a beautiful day for December or January, actually.
Yeah, man.
So after we broke Clancy's truck, we're gonna get stuck helping him take this bed off, this wrecker bed, off of that frame. I hope he forgives us for breaking his Ford. Brand new. Looks like a wrap. There's the frame. There's the bed. That's a future project for Clancy. So stay tuned.